Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video is going to be an important video for me, and hopefully it's an awesome video for you. Today we're going to be installing a modification that I've been wanting for so long, maybe like a year ago. I seen it in someone's car, not in person, but during town they just drove by, and I could tell that is the modification that I've been wanting to see. So I've seen it online, I've been wanting it for so long, just so many questions, so many things here and there that I was kind of skeptical about. But I went ahead and pulled the trigger. I bought it. I actually bought it last year, so I'm making this video in 2022. I bought that last year as my Christmas present in December, so it just arrived. And so let me just clarify before you watch all this video and try to see an installment video. This is not going to be an installment video. Why? Because I want to get the full experience of a Christmas present. You want to be a surprise. So I already know what I ordered. That's not the surprise. The big surprise for me is seeing how my car is going to go to the shop looking one way and coming out the other way. That's what I want to do. So like I said, this is not an installment video. There's awesome installment videos on YouTube of how to install these type of modification. But like I said, we are going to do the unboxing and the review like always. So just go ahead and stay tuned. And like you can see, this is the unboxing table. If you know this channel, this is where I unbox most of the things that I'm going to be reviewing in this channel. In this case, this is a big box. I cannot do it here. It is in my living room. So let's just go ahead and take a look at it. Well, here it is. As you can see, there's a little tear right there in the box. That was done during the shipping. So I did have to open this box to make sure everything's okay. I'll go ahead and unbox it, take some pieces out. First, you're going to see a box like this one right here. And there you're going to find your grills and your inserts. So as you can see, this is going to be the grill. And it does have a little bit of texture to it. I don't know if you can tell. This right here is going to be the upper grill. Right, and then here you're gonna find your dive planes, your canards, I think they're called. Those go on the side of the bumper. And here you're gonna find your inserts. There's gonna be somewhere around right here. And here you can put your Z01, the fog light, or the DRL. This is part of the unboxing, and this was found in the box. I was so excited when I seen it. So we continue with the unboxing. I just wanted to point this out because this is a really cool gift from them. I did not purchase this. This was just pretty much free. But hopefully on my next purchase, I can get a sticker to add it into my collection. Let's just go ahead and keep going. All right, so this is packaged separately. That's why I'm unboxing it separately from the bumper. But this is just the bottom portion of the bumper right here. It's also known as a splitter. But once you see the bumper, you'll see that this is not really a splitter. This is just the bottom portion of it. So, and this is the actual bumper right here. As you can see, it looks amazing. But anyway, obviously whenever you put the grill, this opens up a little bit more. Just the weight gets it down. And it's important to say that you can actually put 2014 to 2015 headlights here. In this case, I'm not gonna do it right now. This bumper was already kind of pricey, and adding the headlights just elevates the price probably twice as much. So I wasn't ready for that. I was debating, should I wait and get everything together? I seen some reviews on this bumper, and they left the 2011 or 2010, 2011, even I think 2012 headlights on it, and it didn't look bad. I mean, they did mention that there's gonna be a little bit of a gap right here, maybe up to like right there. I don't know how that's gonna look. I need to see that in person for me to be able to know if I like it or not. I know that if I don't like it, I'm probably gonna go run and buy those headlights. But if I like it, I am gonna change the headlights, but I just won't be as worried about it, All right, so I put some of the grills, just overlaid them. This is what I was talking about. This is, nothing goes in here. This right here is where the fog light's gonna go. As you can see, this is where the side marker is going to go. Usually the side markers like this on the 6 gens. This one's meant specifically for the 5 gen. That's how you can tell the difference. Now this inner one, the top one, I couldn't really put it up there. Not really worried about that right now, but you see, this and that. And let me show you. This usually goes somewhere around right here. Now these, I'm not going to install just yet. I'm gonna get them painted, ready for whenever I want to put them on. So just for you know, these will not go in the car. I'm gonna wait for a day I wake up and I say, you know what, I'm gonna get those in there. But that's not gonna go in. Alright guys, well this is the end of the portion for the unboxing. So if you like what I'm doing, just a reminder, I do videos like these. I already don't have a schedule of uploading. You know, it takes time to get your money, buy them. So it's not like I could just buy a mod every week or every month. You know, sometimes I have to wait longer than that, save up and get good mods. So if you like what I'm doing, like, subscribe. It really helps me a lot. This is for Gen 5s. You can find here for V6, V8s. You can find modifications of all types. I do want to include vlogs in here. I do want to put more cars. You know, I have some buddies. I have some imports. I have buddies. I have a cool Mustang that I do want to introduce to this channel. You know, there's a lot of things that I could do in this channel, all involving into cars, of course. So if you like cars, if you like modifications, more specifically, I'm going to be working on Gen 5s. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned, because I'm going to be bringing more videos like this, and hopefully I'll be getting more experience and be even better videos and content for you. Okay, well here you'll see how I took it to the shop. I do have to go out of town to get to the shop, and the reason I go to the shop is mainly because they get my work done in about 2 days. This bumper took 2 days, but all my other prior work just took 1 day. He makes almost like an appointment with me, and I don't have to wait like in the other shops, you know, a month. It's my daily, so I need it. So I did ask him to take some pictures for me. As you can see, I did have to paint the crash bar, so keep that in mind. That way you don't see it through the grills in the bumper. And I also got some grill for the inserts. That way it's not completely see-through, and it gives it a better look. And just take a look on the next video. I didn't go over it, but just take a look. All right, well here we are. The bumper is already installed. I just want to get this out of the way. I'm not trying to look like a Z1. I'm doing this conversion bumper because it's the only bumper that I actually like. This is my vision from 2 years ago. So getting that out of the way, I'll go ahead and show it to you right now. So here is the final results. It elevated the car 2 times better, if not 3 times better, just with that bumper. It looks more aggressive. I've been getting a lot of compliments from this bumper actually. So I'm gonna go through some details that you wanna know, some questions that I had that I didn't have answers to. Those would be answered in this video, so let me go ahead and start right now. So right here, you're gonna see if you wanna keep the stock headlights, there's gonna be a gap right there and a gap right there. I don't know if you could tell as much, but right here, this is pretty much a gap. And right here, this is pretty much a gap, and you'll see a gap from here. So that's from the headlights. Also, don't forget that these DRLs are gonna have a YouTube video. These are eBay DRLs. They're not OEM, so I'm gonna be reviewing those, unboxing them, and I will do an installment video. So if you wanna see them on, go ahead and watch that video. I'll show you how to do that little conversion. You know, these people they don't really notice the small details that this bumper have, but since it's my car, you already know how that goes. You know every single little detail. So right here is going to be indentations for the 6th gen hood, so just keep that in mind. This one will align with your hood, so this is the middle, that one will align. Like I said, I don't think you can see it on the video, but I just want to let you know that there's some indentations right here that don't align 100%, and that's just because it's a 6th gen conversion. So this hood is for a 5th gen. So later on you might be able to see a 6th gen conversion, but I'm still not sure if it's possible. If it is, I'll probably be thinking about that, but that's later on in the future. I got all this glossy black. Just keep in mind that whenever you wash the car, if you are trying to do glossy black, you're gonna have your watermarks everywhere. So make sure you dry it good, because it's really hard to keep it clean. But I mean, it's worth it. You see it's glossy black with white, just like I have it with my hood insert, and just like I have it with my spoiler and my wheels. So this is gonna be the final results. Any more questions, you can let me know under the comments. I'll be happy to answer, and just let me know what you think. All right guys, well this is the end of the video. I hope you liking what I'm building with the Stormtrooper. You see there's a lot of modifications that I've done with camera and off camera. I started kind of in the middle of my build with this channel, but I do have some off camera mods that I'm still doing that they're just too small to make a video, like carbon fiber interior. So stick by, because I will be doing a video of off camera mods. But anyway, this is the end of the video. Like I said, I hope you're having a good day, night, whenever you're watching this video. Hope you subscribe, and see y'all till next time.